Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a day to night glam makeup look. Also a mini NYX haul. I ordered a few things from their website a few days ago and I thought I'll do a mini haul. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I got from NYX and then we're gonna get into doing makeup. So the first thing I got from NYX was the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Golden and I feel like it's a little bit too dark for under my eyes, but I think it would be really great for covering up some of these dark spots I get from eating too much chocolate. And the next thing I got was the butter lipstick in the shade Moonlight, and I really think this is really pretty. I usually don't wear colors that are like this dark, but I feel like this one will actually look really nice on. And I also got this one here. This is the Lip Luster. And it is in the shade, I believe, Antique Romance. Ooh. It's really, really pretty. This is what it looks like. And I can't wait to try that on. That looks like it's very nice. This is the Love Out Loud. So it's Love, L-U-V, Out Loud, in the shade Extraordinary. Really, really beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it's like so nice. And I got that for free. So that was very, very nice. It's always exciting when you get something for free. So this one, I read some reviews online about the applicator being very fragile. This is Full Throttle lipstick. And what is the shade here? Can't really see. I forgot what it says. It doesn't have anything written on it here in this shade. I think it's like, I don't know, locked. I don't even know what it's called. But anyway, this is a very nice color as well. And I also got a few pencils. This one is the matte liner in the shade Copenhagen. And it looks like it'll be a very nice color. It's a very deep sort of, yeah, like a very deep burgundy kind of color. And I also got this one here and it is in the shade Auburn. So this is Auburn. And as you can see, I really like these kind of colors. And this one here, this one is really pretty. This one is the matte lip liner, is Aria. That's what I think that's what it's called. It's Aria is the shade. And this is what that looks like. And last but not least, I got another matte lip liner in Cherry Skies. And that's this one here. And it's very, very nice as well. This is another. I know, it's crazy. They all look like it's all the same, but these are the shades that I like. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got from NYX. So this is what I have left of my makeup after work, and I'm just going to build my night look on top. And I bought this rose, it's like a rose water spray. I ordered it from Amazon and it's supposed to be really great to refresh your face. Alright, so let's get into getting some makeup on. I'm going to use my NYX concealer that I just got just to dab over these spots that I have here. And I'm just going to dab them. And with my MAC Mineralized Foundation, this is NC45. I'm just going to dab it all around my face. and I'm going to blend it. So for concealer, I'm gonna use my old MAC concealer that I've had forever. It is in the shade NC42, and I'm just gonna use a small concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go right under my eyes here. I don't want to do too much, so just under my eyes, I'm just gonna put a little bit right under there. So I'm just gonna dab it on. Just gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose, just to highlight my nose a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with my Micro Smooth, very light powder from Sephora. It's in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to just dust it over. Now I'm going to use my NYX High Definition Blush in the shade Amber. And I'm just going to just apply just a little bit on my cheeks here. This is Motives palette that I put together myself. I actually just bought the palette just by itself, and then I just basically put a bunch of my favorite shadows from there. So I'm going to be using the gold and silver together, and I'm just going to put the gold right in the middle here. Just dab it right on, because I'm going to go for a very glam look. And I'm going to just bring a little bit just under my eyes here. And then I'm just going to, with another brush, I'm just going to use the silver, the metallic, it's like a metallic color, and I'm just gonna put it right in the corner here. Bringing that under my eyes a little bit. And with a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend them all together. I wanted to do a little chit chat throughout this video, but I'm realizing that it's kind of hard to talk and do your makeup at the same time. I was so afraid, first of all, to start YouTube, and you know, when I first put my first video out, I literally like almost pooped my pants. Like, I was just so scared. But it's very funny because everyone that I sent, you know, anyone that I just told about my video was like, I'm surprised it took you this long to start. So I think what I wanted to chit chat about is sometimes we think so much about something that we want to do because we're afraid, you know, we're gonna be judged or things like that. Come to find out, people just didn't really care at all. Like, everybody is so busy doing their own thing. Just gonna put this light color right here under my brow bone just to kind of highlight that a bit. But I just realized people just don't really care that much. I think for the most part, everyone is just so busy with their life that they could really care less about what you do. So yeah, that's what I found. So next, I have this Michael Kors highlighter. This highlighter is the bomb. Like, it is so amazing, and I have looked for it everywhere and can't find it. It is called Beam, and it is such a nice bronze powder. It just, oh my gosh, it really gives you the nicest highlight. I actually use it for everything. I'm gonna actually just put some, I'm gonna go under my eyes with that just to highlight that. And I'm just going to put some. So, I mean, look at that. So amazing, right? Like, it just gives you the best highlight. I am running out. I randomly found this at the Bay a few years ago, and I've looked everywhere for them and I can't seem to find it anywhere, and I'm scared I'm just going to run out and then there won't be anywhere to find it. But I absolutely love this. Look at it. Like, it is so nice. I just love that highlighter so much. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna do a little bit of work on my brows, and I basically just use brown shadow just to do that. So I'm gonna just go right under there and then brush that over just to fill in these areas a little bit. I used to use pencil for my brows, but I find, I don't know, I think it's easier to use the shadow. And then I'm just going to brush that over, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go in with this glimmer sticks, I think it's called glimmer stick from Avon. So here's what I find. If I'm going out someplace special at night, I just don't want to take a chance on trying to put on liquid liner, because liquid liners are so tricky. Like, I mastered doing liquid liner because I've been doing it for so long, but I still find if you have someplace special to go, I don't know, it's just for some reason it is when it does not work for you. So if I'm going somewhere, I just go in with just a regular pencil, and then I'm gonna just bring it under my eyes a bit also. And then I'm gonna just make sure that I blend any harsh line. So for my lips, I'm gonna try out the new NYX lip liner that I got, and this is in the Auburn shade. It's so soft. It's very nice. And I'm gonna go over it with the Full Throttle lip color. It goes on very nice. I like it. It actually dries out very matte. It's very nice. So I think I'm gonna just put a little bit of my NYX blush, and I'm just going to kind of blend it into my crease a little bit. Since I put on my lipstick, I feel like I want to just do a little, I want to add a little color to my eye. And yes, I use pretty much anything for, I don't use just lipstick for, you know, just lipstick. I just like to do a mixture and put it wherever I feel like is good. So I think I'm happy enough with this look that I can now put on my mascara. I'm just gonna touch up a little bit of my highlight on my nose, just to get a little bit more glam. I'm gonna just dab a little bit more of my Michael Kors highlighter just to kind of highlight the whole lid a little bit more. I absolutely just love this stuff. And then I'm going to now use my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. This is my mascara that I use all the time. And I want to add a little bit of glow to my lip. So with my Michael Kors highlighter, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that on my lip. I told you I use this for everything. And that's it. This is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!